Amazon brand Solimo Ultra Moisturizing Skin Cream for dry and sensitive skin, Dermatologist Tested fragrance-free 16-ounce. About this item. 1 16-ounce jar of Solimo Ultra Moisturizing Skin Cream for dry and sensitive skin, Dermatologist Tested and fragrance-free. Please subscribe, like, share, comment this video. If you like Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream, we invite you to try Solimo Ultra Moisturizing Cream, not tested on animals, made in the USA with U.S. and foreign components, an Amazon brand. Amazon sales link, https://amazon/3z548fa, or below updated Amazon sales link. Directions. Apply liberally as often as needed or as directed by a physician. Ingredients: water, glycerin, petrolatum, dicaprylyl ether, dimethicone, glyceryl, stearate, cetyl alcohol, Prunus, amygdalus, dulcis, sweet almond oil, PEG 30, glyceryl, stearate, tocopheryl, acetate, acrylate, C10-30, alkyl, acrylate, crosspolymer, dimethiconol, benzyl alcohol, phenoxyethanol, glyceryl, acrylate, acrylic acid, copolymer, disodium, EDTA, sodium hydroxide.